What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We're going to go ahead and jack it up, take the tires off, and grind down the bump stops to get some more steering angle. It's only going to help a little bit, not much, up until we get my custom rack. So let's go ahead and get it. So that's about full lock. Help out a little bit by grinding down those bump stops. See if we can see them. They're right down there. Help out a little bit until we get them racks and the custom parts. Fucking low life problems. Alright, y'all. Let's see. There's one bump stop. And there's the other bump stop. Yes, I got a jack stand under it. Jack and my tire. For anybody fucking wondering. Let's grind them down. Let's get it. There's one bump stop. Grind it down. Time to do back. Here's a better angle of the back one. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's get it. Move it. Touch up paint. Just doing this, see what kind of steering angle he got. It's got a little bit more angle. Just a little something until I get my custom rack made.